Immune system's T cells may help fight coronavirus. Researchers at the La Jolla Institute for Immunology in San Diego found that some volunteers possess immune cells that could recognize and attack the novel coronavirus years before the virus was detected. The researchers found helper and killer T cells in samples collected from healthy volunteers between 2015 and 2018. The volunteers likely developed the cells after being infected with other coronaviruses. Researcher Alessandro Set explained that understanding adaptive immunity to the virus will aid scientists in the development of an effective vaccine. It will also help them interpret COVID-19 pathogenesis and determine adequate pandemic control measures. The peer-reviewed paper was published in the journal Cell on May 14. According to Reuters, the immune system's T cells provide another line of attack after B cells create antibodies to block the virus. Immune response is thought to be the reason some people experience mild or no symptoms of COVID-19 while others become severely ill. Of the 68 samples the researchers collected before the pandemic, over a third contained helper T cells, which identified the virus. 4 of the volunteers had killer T cells, which destroy infected cells. The researchers believe the group might have experienced mild flu-like symptoms caused by other coronaviruses, considering that many other coronaviruses do circulate among humans and often do not cause severe symptoms. The authors said this may be reflective of some degree of cross-reactive, pre-existing immunity to SARS-CoV-2 in some but not all individuals. The researchers also studied the T cells in patients who had just recovered from the COVID-19, with 10 having blood taken 3 weeks after the onset of the disease. Only 7 of the 10 had killer T cells, but all of them had helper T cells. According to the South China Morning Post, the group found that the immune cells could target the coronavirus and remember the attack for an extended period. Shane Crotty from the Center for Infectious Disease and Vaccine Research at the Institute said, their study is encouraging for vaccine developers because the results are consistent with normal, good antiviral immunity. The study also sheds hope that people who have been infected with other coronaviruses may not get infected with the novel coronavirus or develop severe symptoms of COVID-19.